What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we got a tilt video because 4 days ago, I traded and I just tilted because Webull wasn't working right. But that's the video that's coming up. I hope you guys enjoy. This is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advisor if you need financial advice or a financial expert. But let's get right into it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Stay Devoted here, coming back at you with another video. Sorry I've been gone the last 2 days. I've just been doing stuff. But today we're getting back at it. It's kind of late in the day, my bad, but it is what it is. It's currently 1:29 Eastern Time, 12:30 Central Time, and I'm looking at probably getting in a put because there's this. I don't know. Let me see. Let me draw this out. Let me draw this out. I have a feeling we're gonna get a bounce back up here. Nope, it dropped straight down. I guess we can look at this one instead. I don't know. We got support right here. I'm just kind of watching to see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna get in a put. Um, I get in four of these. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel order. Where is there it is. Let's sell. Wait, yeah, no, that's right. Get in four of these. Luckily it messed up because it just jumped straight back up. Yeah, I'm getting in. Let's raise the price of it. Oh, we're in. Minus 16. There's an ascending trend line right here. It seems to be bouncing off that. If you break through it, it would be nice. Nope. Yeah, I gotta get out. Maybe. Nice. We could just break below that. That would be sweet. No. Yes. Up 88. I think I'm gonna close. Yeah, I'm gonna close. My profit and loss. Up 72 today, not too bad. We'll try and get in like one more trade maybe. Probably about to buy another put. Yeah. And five of these. Maybe, because if this bounces above this descending trend line, then. Oh, I should have got in. I'm getting in. I always hate making two trades. It annoys me. Up 60. Probably about to close. Get a little bit more push to it. Yeah, I gotta get out. Maybe? Yeah, I gotta get out. What are we up now? 27? Gosh bless. Oh, should have stayed in. It's huge. I get in 7. I'm not going higher than 2. I'm just gonna go down. Oh no, cancel. Cancel. Okay, cool. Maybe not cancel. I just need to stick to my guns. I think it's going down. 7. There we go, we're in. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hoping it just tanks back down. Oh, it's not. It's not. We need to get out. Minus 113. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Some news just came out or something. Dude, that's crazy. I'm getting in a call. Fuck it. Fuck it. 7 of these. Wait till it drops a little bit. Might not even drop. Yeah, I gotta get in. I probably shouldn't have got in because that's just chasing. And it's going straight down again. Maybe we get a bounce up. So volatile. Up 70. And I hope it goes up. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm closing. I'm closing. I'm getting out of that. Oh my gosh. Up 188. Yo, I'm gonna call that a day. It's pretty wild. I want to get back in some more calls though, low key. But I'm worried it's gonna drop off. I'm gonna get in some more calls. I'll get in like four. That 455 just piqued my interest. Yellow, I'll get in like seven. Oh man, but it's going down now. It's going fast. It's going down fast. Let's hope the news carries us. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe it'll come back up. I should get out. Cancel that. The news is carrying us. That was so scary, dude. Oh god, oh god. It's the most crazy freaking moment ever. Come on, news. Come on, news. Yeah, I gotta get out. Maybe. I gotta get out. Got to get out. I'm probably negative on the day now. I'm 30 plus 34. I guess I get an input. Yeah, I get an input. Just kinda wanna see what happens here real quick. I'm closing that and calling it a day. Up 258 on the day. That was insane. Crazy volume, crazy trading. Let's see if it would run a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna get in seven more puts. Yellow. These are puts, not calls. Wait, I'm in a position? I thought I closed that. What? Oh, it didn't close. Oh God. No. No, dude. No. Come on, go back down. It didn't close. Dude, so annoying. I should probably just get out and go on a call. Yeah, I gotta get out. Close the order. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm getting cooked right now. Close the order. Close it. Close. Wait, maybe not. We might be onto something. No, I need to get out. Maybe not. No, I need to get out. Yo, close. What the heck? Oh, why isn't it closing? Why isn't it closing? Why isn't it closing? I'm trying to get out. Hello? Dude, that's insane. Let me out. Is it just messed up or something? There we go. Minus 225. That's so stupid. I would have had that if it closed. Let's see if we get we got the retest. See if it drops below. Yeah, we need to get back in a put again. Getting in 10 puts. I don't even know if I have enough for that. I probably don't. How much are they? They're like, let's go. Insufficient funds, order failure. Yo, crazy price action. Yo, if I would have exited, dude, I'd be up right now. Dude, that's atrocious. Yeah, I need to get in a call. Yo, why isn't it closing? Dude, it's so stupid. Close. Place order. I just lost most of my gains I made in the past week. Yo, close, dude. My Webull is just fucked. I just lost most of my money. Minus 428. That's insane. Yo, I'm gonna wait for a bounce back and then get in some calls. Seems to be the trend. I should be able to get in these. That's a good bounce back. Yo, let me in. What's going on with Webull today? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm done. I'm done. I obviously can't get in. Yo, it's so stupid. Try to get in 7 of these, 8 of these. I'm probably just gonna call it a day. I don't know what's going on. This is such good action. I just can't get in for some reason. Let me try and go higher. Insufficient funds. Lovely. Insufficient funds. Yo, if that's BS. I need to get real-time quotes because that would help me a lot. If I had real-time quotes, I would have gotten out earlier and I would have been able to get in a lot faster. but I'll get that later. But I'm gonna call it a day. I'm pissed off, and I don't want to tilt trade, even though that's all I've been doing today. Yo, I'm so upset. Down $400. Let me try and get in one more time. And watch, right when I try to get in again, it's gonna. There, I'm in. It's gonna drop straight down right when I get in, watch. Yep, how'd I know? Try to get in down here and still gonna hold. I think it's going up more. Yep, and it just drops straight down. I'm getting out. I'm done for the day. I'm pissed off. And it closes instantly then. That's some BS, dude. You know, I'm probably just gonna focus on futures. I'm tired of dealing with this options BS. Like futures, you just click a button and you're in and out. Like, you know what I mean? So if you see me move over to futures, I plan on doing a prop firm soon. I'm probably gonna trade on Tradeify. But if you want to stay tuned for that, definitely. I'll probably still post occasionally on this series, but for now, I just want to do futures. I think I mean, I can read the markets, I get where it's going, but like, I just can't get in and out. Maybe if I had real-time quotes, more likely, but it just annoys me. Like, that should not have been that kind of day. Down 549. It's insane, dude. And right when I get in, it drops straight down. But I'll catch you guys later. I'm Stay Devoted. Peace out.